Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay and you can find me on both social media platforms at She's Basically. This is a special video. I told all my subscribers that watched my new planner unboxing video, if you had made it to a certain point in the video, there was a special topic that we were secretly talking about if you made it that far. This is for everyone who has a stationery business and needs an insider hack on how to create mock-ups for their planners, journals, notebooks, agenda binders, all those things. So that's what I'm going to be detailing in this video. It's going to be super short and sweet. We're going to get right to the point. I'm going to provide you with the resources. You're going to check them out. You're going to use them for your business. You're going to come back and tell me how amazing these mock-ups are. They made your life so much easier, and it's so easy for you to create beautiful imagery of your products using these resources. So everything will be linked in the description box. There are some affiliate links, so I thank you in advance for using my affiliate links. All of these services that I'm sharing with you are things that I have used personally. You can literally go on my website, paperstandards.com, look through my product offerings and see how I am actively using mockups. I love and respect the craft of photography, but I don't always have the budget to tap into a photographer for their services. So I have leaned into mockups to quickly, easily, and beautifully display my products so that my customers know exactly what they're getting. It's so crazy because I recently saw a thread on Threads saying when you guys are selling planners, stop only showing the cover, you have to show the inner pages as well. And I'm sitting here like, who's buying a planner without seeing the inner pages? That's literally the meat and potatoes. That's the most important part of the whole entire product. Of course, we all love a very pretty cover and we like aesthetics, but you need that function as well. So I've always shown the inner pages, what people are actually getting when they purchase my products, and I've done that through mockups. So for my stationery business, Paper Standards, I do have a wide array of offerings. Not only do I have inserts for agenda bound planners, I'll just give you a quick look at what that looks like. I have some really cute personal spreads that I've done. So for instance, this is my monthly insert, and then I'll give you a peek at a week on 2 pages. So this is a fully customizable binder agenda that someone could open up and take the paper out. And sometimes it is really hard to get photos of these inserts and make sure that all of the product photos look cohesive. So not only do I have that, I also have wire bound planners, which have inner pages that need to be shown pretty clearly as well. I need to do mock-ups for these. And then I also have other products like notebooks and notepads. So as you build up your inventory and you start to offer more and more products, mock-ups truly come in handy to make sure that you can quickly get some really great visuals to your customers. So let's hop right into these resources. Make sure you have your notepad, a Paper Standards one preferably, shameless plug, to keep notes and write down all these resources and utilize them for your stationery business. And if you don't have a stationery business yet, you're in luck. My next video is going to be 3 easy, simple steps to starting your stationery business this year. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have your notifications turned on, because we are full speed ahead with all of the tips and tricks for everyone who wants to start a stationery business. Okay, let's get into it. All right, friends, the very first place that we're going for our mock-ups, believe it or not, is Etsy. Etsy.com. Yes, there are mockups waiting for you to use them. I'm going to link you to my favorite one and I'm going to show it here. It's called the ring bound planner mockup. The reason why I really love this resource is because it's completely editable in Canva. You can change the colors, you can add in your pages. I just love the way it looks. It's really straightforward, to the point. This mockup is perfect if you have an agenda bound system. For instance, I sell A5 inserts, which go in A5 agendas. So this was a really great mockup for me to be able to showcase my inserts without having to take photos. It is very difficult for me as a person who's not a photographer to take bird's eye photos of inserts, which are white and they're usually on a white background. The lighting is off. It's hard to get the right angles. It's really hard to get cohesiveness and make sure all the photos look exactly the same. So that's why I hopped on these mockups. This one is less than 20 bucks and you can continuously use it forever for all of your designs that are going in your agenda insert. Now, if you do not do inserts and you don't sell agendas, there are mock-ups for journals, planners. All you have to do is go on Etsy and search for planner mock-up, journal mock-up, ring-bound planner mock-up, disc-bound planner mock-up. Whatever it is that you're going to be selling, do a search for that on Etsy. Be sure that you're reading reviews. Be sure that you're reading all of the product description to ensure that it not only has the correct size for what you're selling, but also that the elements that you want to change are actually editable. For instance, the thumbnail may show silver rings and you actually have gold rings. So you want to do your research in that product description and ensure that that's something that you can edit. So again, Etsy.com, do a search for whatever mock-up it is that you need. If you just sell stationery, greeting cards, there's mock-ups for that as well. My favorite will be linked down below, and I'll add a couple extras also, but let's head on over to the next resource. Our next stop is going to be creativemarket.com. Again, this will be linked in the description box. If you've been subscribed to me, you know that I've been singing the praises of Creative Market. This is going to be a godsend for you if you are a small business owner and you need those visual assets. When I did a search for planner mockups, the response came back with 445,000 plus assets. Okay, all of them may not be relevant, but more than likely you're going to find something that you like. So very similar to Etsy, they have journal mockups, planner mockups, everything you need. Over on this side, I find that the options are a bit more elevated, a lot more aesthetically pleasing. So what I actually use this for is looking for my lifestyle mockup. So typically when you're looking at mockups, they look computer generated. It looks like a mockup, but there are some really great artists and photographers who have created very beautiful lifestyle mockups. And I'm going to show you the ones that I use. Again, you can see these directly on my website, paperstandards.com. So this one right here provides a bundle of various imagery of different stationery sizes, A5, A4, different stationery sizes that you can pop your photo or image or illustration into. While this does not exactly show what an insert would look like because an insert would obviously be punched with 6 holes, I still use this to kind of give a stylized version of what the insert looks like. This is great if your stationery business is more so focused on greeting cards or wall posters or things of that nature, but you can get creative and still use these stylized mock-ups in a way that works for you. I love the fact that this is real photography and I'm able to add my image into it to make it look like I paid a lot for product photography. So creativemarket.com, again, my favorites will be linked down below. I'll even link some of my favorite shops. And let's head over to the final resource. This is the one. This is the one. It's important to not only have photos but also have videos. And when it comes to planner pages, there are so many pages. Sometimes it's really difficult to have multiple photos showing everything that you want to display to your customers. So having an interactive 3D video would be amazing, right? Of course it would. I have a resource for it. Of course I do. It's going to be called canvasgadget.com. Canvasgadget.com provides those 3D flip throughs of your planner design. So it's like an interactive video where someone can actually click and go to the next page and see what they're getting on the inner pages. This one is a game changer. There is a cost associated with it. I do think it's super valuable. It's like $15 a month. You can get it for that first month, use what you need, and only continue it if you need to. I think this is a great investment to really provide a clear and visually appealing video of what is inside your planner. So this is really giving you that, flipping through the pages, interactive. All you need is your PDF file. You upload it into Canvas Gadget, and it's going to spit back out that video. Mind blown. Now, a service like Canvas Gadget, you do everything in their software on their website, but for the Etsy and Creative Market side, you are going to make sure that you have a service like Canva or one of the Adobe programs to actually make the edits. That's very important to check. Where can you make the edits? If you only have access to Canva, you need to make sure that the file is editable in Canva. So this was just a super short, quick way to link you to those resources. If you actually want to see the mockups in action, if you would like to see me walk through how I actually download the mockup files and place my images in them, please let me know down below. I'd be happy to do a quick walkthrough video of that as well. But I'm really hoping that this changes the course of someone's business and provides them with an amazing resource that's low cost, low barrier to access. You can go straight to it. It's like having a photo shoot without having to leave your home and making your products look so beautiful. So let me know down below if this was helpful. What else do you want to see related to having a stationery business, starting a stationery business, growing a stationery business, different hacks, different tips and tricks? Drop it all down below. I'll meet you guys in the comment section, and be sure to check out the description section for all of the applicable links. And I'll see you in the next video.